Hello guys, welcome to SA University. So this is our first lecture to learn about the HTML. So if you don't know what is HTML and how you can learn, if you are new here to learn our web development course, then don't worry. We we teach very starting for beginners. So first you need to install a Visual Studio Code. You can also see my previous video of Visual Studio Code, then how to create a HTML file. This is the detailed version of HTML. So first we we create a new file. Uh, so press Ctrl N to make new file, or you can go on file by pressing new text file. So first you save it, and I am saving on the desktop and give the extension of .html. So this is the .html is the extension of HTML. If you choose other language, for example JavaScript, HTML, CSS, or more. So you can all create that file. So we are creating HTML file. So we select HTML, then save it. Look here. This is the icon showing the of HTML. That means our HTML file is created. So let's code our first HTML file. First, you need to write HTML. Look, this is the less than and greater than sign. So this is representing that this is a tag. In HTML, you write all the things in the tags. So this is the less than greater than sign, and write head and close it by using slash. You close by using slash, that's represent that this tag is open here and closed here. So in the HTML tag you write head tag, and then in the head tag you need to write title tag. So we give our title first HTML file. So here, after closing the head, enter and write body. If you don't understand, then don't worry. Go to your Chrome and press Ctrl O to open your file. Then select, we save our file name first. No, that's not the file. So this is our HTML file. Look here. This is the title of our page. We give title here, and as you can see, in the head tag we write a title tag, and we give first HTML file as a title. So go on your website, and then you can see here it is the first HTML file. Then in the body, this code you need to learn that this is the boilerplate code, and this is also the basic code. You also, if you are coding anything else, you can also write, you can need to write this. So in the body we write first our first HTML file. and you also need to refresh it to see what you write here, and then the body we also written the r first html. Then if you want to move it in the center, we use the center tag and move it into the center. Save it and refresh it. This become in the center. So look here, this tag is become in the center. Now you can also type more text, like welcome to SA University. Now we need to break line here, but we break line here, it is not showing here. So go here and in your Visual Studio Code and write BR tag and enter it. After that line, look here, it's a break a row. After the HTML file, write the BR and then you and your line is break. So the line is break. Now go in the Visual Studio Code and then so this is the basic code of HTML, and now refresh it. You can see this is written. Now this is not the proper way to write our paragraph in HTML. We use p tag stands for paragraph and write all the R codes in the paragraph like this and refresh it. As you can see here, nothing is changed. But when you right click on it and go to inspect, this is in the paragraph and all the details here that its color is black and font size is 16. If you don't understand, then do not need to worry about it. We also learned in the next lecture what is it and what is fonts and colors. So this is a paragraph. If you have any question, you can also ask in the comment. And now we talk about the headings. So in the headings, we have six heading total. So this is H2, and this is H3. Total we have in the HTML we have six headings. So you can also see the difference between the headings. Just we simply write H1. So you can see here the all the headings can be written as the tags. H1 stands for heading 1, H2 is stands for heading 2, and more. So go on your website and refresh it. Look the difference between the headings and normal tag. This is the normal text and this is heading. Look
the size of H4 and normal text is same, but it is bold and it is not. So H1 is more bold and font size is too big in the H1 and in H2 has little and more. So for today it is enough, and if you have any question you can please ask in the comments, and thank you, and like, subscribe please.